Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open a Barclays bank account online. So this is actually a fairly simple process, but make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything. So first, open up your browser and go to the Barclays Bank website. So from here, you will then have to navigate to the current account section to see all the options. So Barclays Bank offers accounts like the standard current account, premier current account, and the basic current account. So before you can start entering your personal information, you'll be asked whether you want a sole account or a joint account. So simply pick the one that best fits your needs. So if you select sole account, you then need to be 18 or older, not in full-time education, have a UK phone number, meet the minimum requirements, and provide proof of identity like a passport or driving license. So you can then apply in the app or online. And if you select joint, both account holders need to be 18 or older, have lived in the UK for at least 12 months, meet the income requirements, and the other account holder will need to be present during the application. So Barclays also provides the account features so you know what benefits you get. And after you've chosen your account type, you then need to provide your personal information, so things like your name, address, date of birth, email, employment details, and proof of identity. So Barclays may also perform an electronic ID check, and sometimes additional documents will be needed. But after submitting your application, Barclays will review your details, and if everything is approved, your new account will then be ready. So guys, you also get a confirmation by email, and you can immediately start managing your account online or through the Barclays mobile app. So it's really as simple as that. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.